Hello guys, this is my first product review and I'm going to do this with our new refrigerator, the LG side-by-side door. It's a quick and fair review and it's already 3 weeks in operation, so we have found something to tell. This fridge is good for big family for two main reasons. First, it has a large capacity and has an easy door. The main reason why we choose this is because too many people keep opening the fridge to get water or anything. Especially during summer, our old fridge losing its cooling power from this habit. For the delivery care, it has loads of stickers and tiny foams inside. So better to remove everything because it will cause moist and will produce water. So let's start. Let's explore what's inside. Trying the easy access door for water pitcher. We don't overload it with heavy containers unlike our old Panasonic. It has platform support. Just like on their website, we did try to put our glass pitcher too, and I think it's durable. One more thing about this side door. Its heaviness makes it bounce away, causing harder impact that feels like... Yep, you see? That feels like it will weaken its joints in the long run, I guess. But hopes not. So just be mindful on opening these two doors because it's really heavy, even without putting anything yet. For the lower drawer, its size is too exact for this edge that makes scratches when you forgot to mind it. But for now, it's the wrapper that we didn't turn it out yet. But over the period of time, when you get used to it, it will make bumps and scratches. The ice maker has less ice to make, so you can just buy or add another tray. And minding the twister when you're gonna fill it up, it's hard to take them out, so do it slowly and it won't break its edges that keeps them locked. Wow, bilis. To achieve this quick one twist and lengthen the lifespan of your twister, because we always break ours, follow the indicated water level. Just right up to its squares. Obviously, if you overflow like this, we'll keep on twisting too many times just to break the top platform ice you have created. Remember, just one twist and you have an ice. But if you forgot, you'll break your ice maker. This is very important for the freezer. Look, it's locked inside. The tray slides out because the heavy door impact pushes it out. I tried to find something long to push the tray in, but I can't even reach it. Just slowly like this, and I made my way. Lately, I just realized that whenever this happens, just open the fridge door, plain and easy. But this is not good for someone who doesn't know and to your visitor. They might make a forceful pull due to its heaviness. Close and push in, it will be locked. Unlike this design, it has more compartment because we used to marinate overnight and even placing plates inside. Don't want to stock them to each other. For different foods and packaging we have a perfect place inside. Look, I'm always creating a spill with this fast automatic drawer slide. Just slowly now and good. Try to listen. Dents are probably from the skin. It's not well pasted. The easy access door has space within. And found another dent from opening two doors at the same time. The easy access door doesn't have a stopper. As manual advice, don't open them both. What I like about our new fridge is the cool air waste is not coming out at the very back that ruins our old fridge. When it's fully loaded, the cool air is getting stuck in and imbalances the entire machine. So with this design, I can cram anything inside. And one more thing, this easy access door doesn't have an auto suction, so we always hear its alarm and left it open. Not good when you're about to sleep. Please keep this in mind. And that's it. That's everything I've got since already a month of operation, and I'm surely going to make an update maybe a month or a year. Probably something different, and anything I like to add maybe will be on the description box below. So thanks for watching.